Hey everybody, my name is Tay and welcome to my channel. Thank you all for clicking on today's video. So if you're looking for a way to make a little extra side hustle money as a mommy, you came to the right place. My name is Tay. I've been a full-time content creator, entrepreneur, and all things social media since 2019. I've made 100% of my income from social media since 2019. I had a baby 1 year ago and it has definitely been a drastic change, but I'm just here to share my new things and my new ways that I've been making money as a mommy. And let's just be honest, once you have a baby, things change dramatically. Like before baby, I was just able to lay around as long as I wanted to. I was able to get up whenever I wanted to. I was able to be on live. I was able to make bracelets, do whatever I need to do for hours on end. I didn't even have to talk to nobody for days at a time before having a baby. Now, obviously, after having the baby, a lot of things have changed. I now have to balance my time between giving my attention to my phone / my work and giving my attention to my baby. Obviously, the baby always wins. So I have been having a little bit of less time able on my phone and a little less time to make money online like I used to. I've also had to stop my actual physical business simply because I just could not keep up with the demand, but I still do have my digital ebooks and my vendors list and things like that on my website. Now, since becoming a mommy, I have opened up my horizons to so many new things. This thing called Facebook Marketplace, Depop, Poshmark, eBay, all those platforms where you can resell your items. And the newest thing that I have found out about is Whatnot. Now, this video is not sponsored. Whatnot does not know that I'm making a video about them. I have found out about Whatnot through another mommy friend of mine, and she told me, and I kind of got on board as well. When I first I've been seeing videos about Whatnot on TikTok here and there, but I'm not gonna lie, I did not think it was legit. So once my mommy friend told me that it was legit and she actually did some research, I was like, "Ooh, let me hop on." So of course, you know me, if I put my mind to something, I'm going to try to hop on it. So Whatnot is basically to me, an online thrift store, an online garage sale in a way to me. So basically the way Whatnot app works is you can resell whatever items. I've seen people reselling makeup. I've seen people reselling handbags. I've seen people reselling shoes, coats, clothes, baby clothes, women's clothes, things like that. For me, in the biggest niche I see is women are on there reselling their baby's clothes. So if y'all know, a lot of y'all have been here from the beginning. Y'all know that my baby received tons of clothes for her baby shower. She received tons of clothes for her first birthday. My baby is 13 months old now, and I have given away a lot of clothes. A lot of clothes to strangers, a lot of clothes to supporters, a lot of clothes to my family and my friends as well. And I am in a position where I am in need of a little extra money. I am right now in a financial state where I can benefit from all extra money I can get. So I was like, you know what? I've basically gave clothes away for an entire year. I can try to resell them. So on Whatnot, they have these things called shows. Your show is technically like your live. So you go live, you go on your show, and you kind of just literally showcase items to the audience that you get. Now, with Whatnot though, it is an auction. So most people do auctions. It's an auction-based platform, so people are able to bid on your clothing items. So let's just say I had this purse, right? And let's just say I started the purse off at $2. So a person can bid on it $2. The next person can bid $3. The next person can bid $5. And they can keep bidding for however long you set. Now, this is not a tutorial on Whatnot. If you all want a tutorial video on how to set up Whatnot and things like that, let me know. I will definitely go into depth. But this video is just me letting you all know how I've been able to make a little extra at the end. I'll tell you how much I've made so far on the Whatnot app in the past month. So like I was just saying, so for example, people can go from $2, $3, $4, and you can choose, people can bid for 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds. I think 10 seconds is the perfect, because you don't want to, the perfect time, because you don't want to have it too long so people lose interest, but you don't want to have it too quick either. So for example, let's just say a person bid up to $5. Boom, that person wins this purse for $5. And you go on to like the next item. So for me, I like Whatnot because again, it's kind of like you don't even know how much you're gonna make, but you have the potential to make a lot of money off of items. So y'all know me, I've been listing some of Nyla's clothes. So for example, most of Nyla's clothes I have been getting as gifts, but she's grown out of them. So obviously I'm only bidding or giving away clothes that she cannot fit anymore. So let's just say I have a shirt or whatever. The shirt I got obviously for free as a gift, and the shirt bid could go all the way up to $30. Now you just made $30 off of one item. Oh, you know what I'm trying to say? But on the flip side to that, you do probably will run into when you first start off with Whatnot, you won't probably have as many people in the room. So most of your items probably will only go for $2 and $3, put it like that. So when I first did my first show, most of my items went for like $2, and that was fine for me because I'm trying to just get used to it. Again, I've only been on Whatnot for about 2 weeks now, 2 or 3 weeks, and so far I have been liking it. I like it so far. I wish you were able to post content on the app, but you cannot. The only way you can kind of sell and promote is by going live. So it's no content, it's a following, but to me, I don't really think the followers matter. It's just more so of like how consistent you are with the app, just like any other app, and how long you are on live. The longer you're on live, the more chances of people are coming to enter your room. Personally, I understand it in a way because they want to still remain different than like a TikTok or a TikTok shop, you know, but at the same time, I really wish we was able to post actual content of our items, because y'all know me, I'm the content girl. Okay, so far since being on Whatnot, I can open up the app and show y'all a little bit. So far since being on Whatnot, one like a little screen recording right now. So far on Whatnot, I have sold, as you all can see at the top on the screen, I have sold 16 items. I have one person that left me a review and she gave me 5 stars. So as y'all can see right here on the screen, it says like, you know, shopping with Tay. That's my actual screen name. And then of course, this is just like my little live that I will be planning to go on at 12:30. So again, you can't upload videos, but that's just really about it in terms of content. So again, when you get on Whatnot, you can, like, you know, literally title your lives whatever you want to title them. You can put the sizes and things like that. I just think it's a perfect thing for us mommies. I just think Whatnot is perfect for us mommies because it's just the way to make extra money. Because we know most of the items we get for our babies, unless we have multiple kids, we don't really have nobody to pass it down to in the home. Like I said, I've given away to my cousins. I've given away to supporters, strangers, things like that. But I am in need of, like, you know, just extra quick cash. And also, too, with Whatnot, you are paid 4 hours after your item is delivered. So the faster you ship out your items, the faster you get paid. This is totally different from TikTok Shop, okay? With TikTok Shop, you get paid, but it's not as fast. I'm not gonna lie to you. You do not get paid as fast. TikTok Shop is probably about a week or 2 lag in terms of when you sell the item versus when you see the money. With Whatnot, you really see the money the same day your order is shipped, like technically, or not shipped, the same day your order is delivered. And because we are working with USPS for the most part, look, knock on wood, USPS is back on track from COVID. They're shipping items and delivering items fast. So I had my first show last Friday, or 2 Fridays ago, and the item was delivered on Monday. Now that I think about it, I think I only been on Whatnot for 1 week. Maybe not 2 weeks, maybe 1 week. Because I did the show, right. I did the show Friday. My order got delivered yesterday, which was Monday, September 8th. And I got paid September 8th. So all the money that I made from that show literally is in my bank account. Well, it's in my little portal. And the only thing I got to do is just press cash out. And of course, that'll be that, right? So I love Whatnot. I think I'm going to try to stay consistent. Now I'm going to just be honest and transparent. My second and third show, I did not get any sales. But again, I'm only been on the app for about 10 days at this point, a week. Because I know I didn't go live, obviously, the same day I set the app up. Maybe I probably would say I've been on the app for about 10 days total. And I went live about 3 to 5 times already. So, well, when I say live, I mean like, so technically I've only did 3 shows, but within those shows I've ran my clothes multiple times in that one show, because I only have a couple clothes that I was trying to get rid of for Nyla, and I just kind of did it over and over and over, did the auction over and over and over for a couple times for like an hour or so. So Whatnot is definitely has a potential. I do see other women on there who has been on Whatnot for months, 6 months, a year, and they do it full time as their full-time income as a stay-at-home mom and things like that. Some of them go to actual thrift stores. They buy stuff for $2 and try to resell it for $4. Some people go to TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and try to resell stuff. Personally, for me, I am not taking that route. I'm just literally going into Nyla's closet and going into Nyla's drawers, and whatever she cannot fit, I'm just pulling it out and reselling it to the community. I'm not really taking it that deep or that far in terms of like going outsourcing products and then bringing it back home. Personally, I just don't have the time or the extra money to do so, but it's also kind of like a reinvestment. So it's like, it's same thing with buying inventory. Basically, they go to the thrift stores, they buy the clothes, they wash it, they recycle it or whatever, and then they resell it. That's fine, but that's just not where I'm going with mine. I'm just more so whatever Nyla has, that's what I'm getting rid of. Then y'all already know me. I have a lot of stuff. I'm trying to get rid of a lot of stuff. I have purses, I have shoes, I have a lot of stuff that I could get rid of for adults as well. So if you made it this far in the video, that means you are very interested in making extra money as a stay-at-home mom. So I will have the link that I use to sign up down below. So if you want to become a seller, listen to me closely. If you want to become a seller, I will have a link that says to become a seller, click this link. That's the link you click. If you want to become a shopper, a person to just browse around on the app, if you just love shopping, you love finding different thrifts and stuff like that, I will have a separate link that says to be a shopper, click this link. I'm going to have both of them linked down below in the description box and in the comment section. I'm gonna have everything linked down below. Again, I know this video was very, very quick, but I hope it was very informative of how I've been making money on Whatnot app. And also, I don't know if I even told you all yet, but so far on the Whatnot app, I have made, I'm gonna have like a little screenshot as well. I have made so the screenshot is saying $24.03, but my overall total, was $36. But of course, the platform takes its money, taxes, and things like that. So after the taxes and the fees and stuff, from my $36, I got 24 of those dollars. Again, I've only sold 16 items, and everything that I did sell was literally stuff I got for free for Nyla. So everything really is profit for the most part. It is some items in there that I have purchased myself, throughout the year or whatever. But for the most part, everything that I did sell was 100% old clothes from the baby shower and things like that. So I feel like for 16 items, $24, that's not that bad to me. Again, it's just the extra way to make money. I'm not saying that I'm going to be rich off this. I'm not trying to pay bills off this. I'm just trying to accumulate any little extra money I can get as a mommy, because we all know that we need like a little cushion in our bank accounts when we have kids. So I hope this video was helpful. If y'all do want like a how-to video, how to set up Whatnot, let me know in the comments down below, and that could be the next video.